Let's get another unit over at this spell over at
What's 20?
GMP.
39 on 10.
Let's get 29. Show me after this felony.
This is Deputy 40, ready to check?
Enter.
Is there any lieutenants on at this time? No lieutenants. Can I have an additional down here?
Down where?
The gas horn on the roof.
39 10. I'm at GLT at the moment of time.
Yeah, why'd you need the additional? Is that you in the trees on the road? Is it you go? Shots fired.
Shots fired.
He's coming to
Weapons
Red
discharge
Eagle.
and
Red Eagle.
How about
Officer
you?
down.
Where's the red Evo?
Officer down. Just by casino and GMP on the road. In that blank forest area.
User left your channel.
There's so many cops. Red Evo's on pause RP.
Red Eagle, I believe there's an officer down.
User left your channel.
You said you saw red Evo with the gun.
Take one.
User left your channel.
Brown suit, hands
Go for
up.
that fight, that's driving off.
Brown suit, place your hands on top of your head. Do not run. Stop running.
Joined your channel.
That USAC I think was this.
Brown jacket, place your hands on top of your head. Stop running, place your hands on top of your head or you'll be
No one's gonna
tased.
follow our bike. Yeah, we drove off with
User
it.
left your channel.
Sir, I will tase you. Okay, you know what? You have 3 seconds to place your hands on top of your head. 3, 2, 1. Tackle, tackle, tackle. Yeah, we got an officer down at the Red Evo as well as ×1 suspect. This brown jacket was on scene. I haven't detained.
Can we give warnings for this USAC to land? I believe he was in the incident as well. Going towards jail.
He's gonna be going past jail. It looks like he's gonna be going towards
Turn
Rollins.
around. Turn around.
Give warnings for his to land.
10-4.
Looks like he's going to be going towards casino there, or on Bangtown, I mean, next to him.
Everyone, do you know what happened with this Red Evo?
He was on scene, I think he was assisting. Is he in the gang if he's not down for it?
Buddy in your channel, time down.
The participants of the Red Evo are all in support, so
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna let the brown
User
suit go.
left your channel.
Do you have eyes on that USEC?
F4 is going to be going towards clothing store.
Before we're
Yeah,
heading up
clothing
there
store.
now. We already have 3 warnings.
He's near North Boat.
It's already been given 3 warnings. What do you want us to do from now?
Well, he went to support before this situation happened, well, after this situation happened, so that's his problem, not ours.
Alright, so we've already given
He's
warnings.
finishing off,
Do you know if he might land somewhere?
He's just hovering above, clothing store at the moment. We can shoot him down if he looks too far.
What's the current situation?
USAC involved with an officer shooting over North Clothing Store.
3 warnings have already been given out to this USEC.
10 for 39 is gonna be 10 on 10.
Was it Cody the USEC?
Copy. Involved in a shooting on an officer.
SWAT's 19.
Sorry, 23 on scene.
Does Air 1 have eyes?
Does have eyes.
10-4.
User joined your channel.
I was just gonna wave off him a little bit.
Okay, it's abandoned.
Unit 24, radio check.
User left your channel.
Unit 24, radio check.
10-2.
10-4, I'm gonna be 10-41, 10-8.
Is that smart card rating from you guys, or?
By the way, it's not pause RP for the use because he killed the officer after he went into,
Hey,
or
sir.
before he went into sport. So that's his own
Sir.
problem.
Yeah.
Sir, you realize your gates are unlocked there.
Kids.
Yeah, your gates are unlocked. Controls are not locked. I can go out there and open gates right now.
Alright, thanks for informing me. I'll go deal with that.
Now, there's a guy named Mr. Phillip who's doing it for George.
Oh,
He
okay.
owns that hatchback right there.
Oh, okay.
And that's his hatchback.
Yo. Hey, I'm gonna be a while because I have to go to airport. Just don't get caught, yeah? Alright.
Controls are locked.
Copy.
Is there someone inside jail right now? Is there a PD unit inside jail right now?
User joined your channel.
Radio check.
10-2.
Is there a PD unit inside jail right now?
Unknown, why?
Because I just heard voices from inside. And it did not sound like an inmate.
10-4, be advised, there's a person in Nobel.
10-4. Wait, how did they get no bill? There's no lieutenant on.
Stop that chat. Smart cars, copy.
User joined your channel.
What's this charge near Barrington?
Actual shot.
Shots.
Deputy 39 back tonight.
Air 1, you online?
10-4.
We have an illegal sheriff boat going toward, is that North Boat right now? 10-9.
USAC is
There's an
going
illegal,
over...
someone bought, or there's an illegal sheriff boat.
An illegal... Excuse me?
Somebody stole a
Illegal?
sheriff boat, or is it a terrorist
It's a legal boat with a 50 cal on it at
It's a
North
yeah,
Boat.
it's a
Somebody give
victim.
him warnings.
Is that North Boat?
Occupied 3 times.
Is a gunner on it?
No, he was on it for a short period of time and he hopped in the back.
10-4. Maritime's gonna be hopping on mine.
Jake, do you want me to head down there?
10-4.
I gotta go. Ricardo, come with me. Ricardo, we gotta go. Come on.
Is anyone recording? At North Boat?
I will be once I get there.
I think so. So he doesn't shoot us for no
This
reason.
is Deputy 40 plus 1 is gonna be responding tomorrow, Tom.
They're possibly going to the terror.
Shoot
back.
Shots
Keep
fired.
shooting.
Shots fired by the boat. Shots fired by the boat.
shooting officers.
Tony on the
USAC
boat.
is-
Stay clear until Maritime gets here. If you have a shot on gunner, you're clear to take it.
Tony on the boat.
He's shooting at us for no reason right now.
User was moved to your
USAC is
channel.
stalling out.
Gunner is up. The gunner is up.
USAC is crashing. USAC is crashed. And the
Tony at the fucking boat.
pilot of the USAC is bailed out.
The boat's
Get
at
units
North
over to that.
Boat, I believe. That's the last known call out.
West of
For
North
Jake, I'm
Boat.
still about a minute out from the DNR base.
Someone get this USAC pilot in custody right now. It's just northeast of clothing store in the forest.
Air 1, watch out behind you. There's a rib.
Yeah, he's going away though. Can someone come over to the shops underneath Air 1?
Buddy joined
Air
your
1, are you
channel.
able to keep eyes on that roof until Maritime gets there?
I lost eyes. I think he's going to somewhere over there. That's seen going towards airfield. In the shore.
The river is in the middle of the sea, in front of PD.
Can someone come towards like clothing store and get this guy in custody? I don't know where he is. Somewhere under the island.
40 is fixing to be 23 at DNR outpost. .40 is going to be 23.
10-4, I'm gonna bring the boat to the shore.
Looks like the rib is headed over to safe house.
Brandon, get in the boat. I'm on the shore.
10-4, we're coming. We have a second person that's going to be joining us. He's a rattling.
Yeah, it looks like he's coming back around to North Boat. It'd be by terror.
Boat.
To buy terror?
So, you have eyes? Zo, do you have eyes on the boat?
Yeah, I do. He's on Terror Island.
Keep eyes for as long as you can. Maritime's 10-19.
Yeah, everyone has eyes. Going to be going.
A few.
By. Went towards
Sounds
airfield
like
in
you
between
fucking
Gerard
fucking
and
fucking
Airfield.
No, you need to join DNR to join Marathon.
We're going west.
You're right.
User left your channel.
Does anyone have everyone? Do you have eyes on the rib?
Yes, there have eyes.
Everyone's gonna wave off because I feel like I'm going in.
Where's he headed towards?
West towards airfield.
10 for Maritime has us.
Are you engaging?
We have him on our front.
Alright, got him. We got him engaged. They've already shot at us.
Everyone, have we all kept eyes? Like, are we clear to engage?
No, yeah, you are clear to engage, but he already initiated on the overload.
Engage.
They're down.
We still got the driver.
Watch out, one hop out.
He doesn't have his gunner anymore.
No gunner for now.
They shot, so we shot.
Moral time is in pursuit of the rib.
He initiated over global, he said everyone wave off and shot.
The rib is going northwest of the safe house.
Maritime, where's the rib? Maritime, where's the rib?
By safe house going towards
He's turning around.
Done.
By safe house going towards Assassin. Terror Island.
Towards airfield now. Going south towards Sheriff TNR. Come back north.
Squad's gonna be opening off our...
User left your channel.
Ramming into DNR.
Squad's gonna be shooting.
Ooh!
Oh, shot! We're getting sniped!
It's SWAT, it's
He
SWAT.
has now gunner.
He's on gunner.
User joined your channel.
He's on the
SWAT.
gunner. On the gunner, shoot!
He's down.
He's down. He had a boat that's on the loose.
Yeah, it's gonna beach.
Is anybody in the boat?
No, it's gonna beach.
Yeah, okay.
User joined your channel.
10-4, we probably need to find the other passengers.
Oh no, they're dead.
No, they are dead.
All of them are dead.
Well, let's find the rib then. Let's find the rib.
Go straight.
This is Maritime. All the suspects at this time have been deceased. Shot and killed by police officers. We are now tracking the rib when it's gonna beach.
Just gonna beach by this hill. Straight from.
Ricardo, I told you it was gonna fucking turn really fucking fun for you.
Yeah.
Let's pick a right person
One's gonna beach now in 5 seconds.
take a ride along today.
Best ride along ever.
Get beached by cliffs.
I'm gonna need units to go pick them up when they relog into PD custody at E-Civ.
You know how many? I think there was 3. At least 3.
Yeah, there was at
occupants
least
in that
3.
boat.
Yeah, 3 occupants. Yeah. 3.
Someone's gonna be back to me.
Hey, boy, you mind picking me up?
Here it is.
Kids, you left me behind.
Okay, so what do we do with this?
Well, you
Airport
see,
Road.
You try federally impound it.
well, I mean, I don't have,
User
like,
left
I
your
mean, I
channel.
have it, but I'm not actually allowed to use it.
We use it. I mean, we're in a situation here that we really need to
Controlled starts at the rib.
or we can just There we go.
Ah,
Okay.
we're good. Alright, rib's been disposed of.
Headphones.
Just fucking change it.
That one's back tonight. Be advised that USAC is still on the low-key bail from the USAC, so
It's like, I'm not
probably gonna get
allowed
pulled
to
over
use it.
later.
Federally impounding it, I guess.
I mean, I use it when I have a sergeant's permission, but I mean, like, I have an M2 machine gun.
We have somebody
Fuck it,
dead
use the M2.
on
Have some
Uncut.
fun, Jake, every once in a
Or
while.
dogs, I think dogs.
Listen, you just gotta
We have
use it.
somebody dead on Uncut.
We know if anybody's at the spawn waiting for the
Yeah,
spawn.
disregard what I said, he loves dogs.
Are units en route to East Civ to pick up the suspects that are gonna relog? Or...
Might take that as a no.
You know, I can never miss an opportunity to use my 50 cal.
I know. I could never miss an opportunity to drive the boat for you while you shoot.
That one's sanitary for 10 minutes.
Join DNI!
Actually, 5 minutes.
This is like the 6th time I've done this for you, and I'm not even part of DNR yet.
Yeah. I mean, you're allowed to drive it if you aren't in DNR, so...
Because I can't shoot it.
Yeah, you can't shoot. I remember my maritime training. I didn't get one.
No, I've never been in maritime, but fuck, I remember when I was the XO of DNR. That was some fucking fun times.
I mean, I got maritime training when I rejoined maritime, like, this time, right? But I never actually got maritime training. Like, I rode with, like, Charles asked if there was someone that was able to join him on maritime, back when he was the lead of it. And I said, okay, I'll be en route.
Yeah.
And he's just like, okay, get on the gun. And it's like, I just got on the gun, and that was that.
Oh.
And
I have to say, I wouldn't say this was my training, but just one day, there was somebody at, you know, we had to go rate terror. Just like, hey, get in the driver's seat, go. Like, okay, there you go.
Yeah.
It just keeps on going ever since.
Yeah, I just applied for I applied for maritime when Charles was lead. It's like, do I really need training? He's like, were you the one in the M2 with me that one day? I'm like, yeah. He's like, okay, yeah, you're good.
User joined your channel.
This is Brandon the Jake. How
Can we get a PD unit to East
User
Civ?
left your channel.
I'm gonna make us.
Brandon the Jake, how copy?
Go ahead.
We're gonna try to track down the suspects that are gonna relog at East of.
Squad has one of you guys who relogged.
Gen 4. There should be 2 more.
Buddy left your channel.
A helicopter landed right by Casino Town.
This is Brandon the Zoe Knight.
ahead.
A unit to East Civ.
Did you get any of the other 2 occupants of the rib?
No, we only have one.
Gen 4.
Who's getting into East?
Everyone's back tonight. Any backups?
Deputy 39's gonna be going back tonight.
Gen 4. Show 40 gonna be 23 at the respawn at Nisa.
Done.
Can I get one additional to gold, please?
Situation.
Feel like I was gonna get robbed.
39 to 19 Kota.
User joined your channel.
Swear I'm gonna be back tonight.
User joined your channel.
That's right by yellow text in your gold. 29 plus 1 by 10.
Steve, you forgot somebody again.
Air 1?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
I'm sorry, I lost control there for a second.
We have a panic down by gold. I believe an officer might be being robbed.
Yeah. Officer with hands up. It's gonna be a yellow taxi.
How many?
One
times.
One civilian running around at the moment, or with a pistol, pistol.
Are you positive it's one?
SWAT
Well, I just see
19.
one, so
Yes.
yeah.
Description of vehicle.
It's a yellow Ford Taurus taxi.
29 plus 190.
Yeah, officer has his hands up, one suspect right beside him. I think there's one in the yellow.
29 to Alpha, try to stall him, buddy. Try to stall him.
I'd take this shot with my M24 if we had a
Two
confirmed number.
suspects. Two
This is
suspects.
Deputy 40 to Jake.
Go ahead.
We've lost the other two. The other two haven't spawned yet. We got one though.
If you can take the fucking shot, take the shot.
I need a confirmed number.
Just take the shot.
There's two of them. Two.
Clear to tase, yes.
Just take
Wait, they're leaving the scene. They're leaving the scene now.
Direction of travel?
They're just on the beach at the moment, going towards the cliffs. Yeah, one is going towards the cliffs, doing another U-turn after the bank.
The yellow taxi is the only one, not the off-road.
There's the yellow taxi. Yellow taxi.
Where's the
is
yellow
going towards-
taxi?
He's going towards North Pole from cliffs on road.
On road?
On road, yeah. I seen the yellow taxi with a pistol. Don't believe he has a rifle.
+1, make contact.
Going to be going towards Uploading, so I pulled over.
Wait, what?
29+1, show me 1033 with a yellow Ford Taurus taxi. Can I get additionals?
39 to 19.
SWAT behind you.
SWAT felony. What's the 20?
Brandon to Jake, I'll copy.
Go ahead.
Apparently, based off the information we just got, there is still a suspect still alive swimming in the ocean.
I don't know how that's possible. We got 3 kill messages.
I don't...
Oh, there he is.
So, Levi, here's it's kind of OC. So this is half in character. Basically, what happened was another person had hit him, killed him, and siphoned his fuel. So I'm not sure if he thinks I siphoned it and he's trying to get retaliation. I haven't been reporting, but I haven't done anything.
Okay,
I'll tell you that right now.
Well, All I'm getting, okay, oh no, just listen. All I've gotten from the helicopters, okay, is that there's a guy with a pistol running around a cop that just hit his panic, and the cop's got his hands up.
Okay, yeah, so here's the thing. He got revived. I went over to him to see what was going on, because the Jeep over there was like circling him. So I went over there. I'm licensed to have my pistol. I'm on that beach. If I'm not mistaken, it's outside of city limits. So
where exactly are you talking about?
On that beach. So
right
if
here
you see
by,
the little
right here by Gold?
yeah. Right near his car. If you look at where he is right now.
Yeah, as long as you're not in the grass right there, all the grass on this side right here, I guess, considered inside of city limits, but that over there is not.
So I was on the beach, you know, I'm legally allowed to have my gun. I wasn't in city limits, so I can have it unholstered. Then you know how Cicada is. People like to rob each other, blah. So it's just for self-protection. Walk over there, start running around, and that's when he puts his hands up. I haven't said anything, and I sit there and I'm like, and right as soon as he puts his hands up, I find it kind of fishy, so I put my gun away, and I just kind of sit there and I continually ask him, like, are you okay? Like, why are your hands up? Is everything okay? And he's just not responding to me.
29 Air 1 direct.
See, it's a good thing he put his gun away, because when I got told it's an officer robbery, I pulled out my M24 and aimed directly at his head.
Did he put his gun away?
Yeah, I
did put his gun
away.
I
pulled up, saw him with his gun out,
just as he pulled
and then I saw him
rob me, and then stood it back.
Yeah,
and obviously he pulled it out when.
Okay.
Because right as soon as I saw you put your hands up, I put my gun away. So.
Shut up. Okay, I'm gonna ask you right now. Did you go your 300 before you came over here, or was you called over here?
I was called over here by.
I brought him over here.
Okay, well he still needs to go his 300, because I'm pretty sure this is not 300 from that thing over there.
But he never died.
Yeah, he did.
When did he die?
Alpha did die. Yeah.
Did die, yes.
This is right at 300, but still, that's you shouldn't remember anything from the situation, so you can go back on patrol.
Okay, wait, but aren't we talking about the robbery situation at the current moment in time?
But he got shot at the robbery situation, didn't
he? No, he didn't.
No shots were fired.
No shots were fired at the robbery.
Then what the fuck was he calling for EMS over there for? I thought he was.
Because he got killed.
Wait, when?
What?
I robbed.
He got no, I never robbed.
The whole thing was a different situation.
Okay, you're gonna get gagged. Okay. Why did you hit your damn panic? Tell me that. What happened? Just tell me that. What happened?
So obviously, it was him. I died, and then he robbed me. Robbed stuff on my dead body.
Okay, you died. Okay, and then he robbed
my panic because I was dead.
Okay.
He was robbing me, and I couldn't press it. I was dead.
Okay, wait. What you just said made no sense. Okay, so you died. Okay.
Yes.
Then you got revived.
Then he robbed me.
Then he started to rob you.
Yes.
Okay. That's a fucking rule break right off, isn't it, Jake?
User joined your channel.
You can't rob somebody right off of them being robbed by EMS. I don't think. Okay. Okay, so then you hit your panic. Okay.
Yes.
And then so then you was calling EMS. What was you calling EMS over there for? Gas? Or what was you doing just a minute ago?
My car was out of fuel, so I was just calling for that.
Okay.
And Levi, I was the first unit on scene. Well, I mean, I wasn't on scene, but I was up on cliffs with an M24 out.
Okay. So what happened? What happened? Tell me. Did he come up to you and said put your hands up or what?
Yes. I put my hands up. He robbed me and then fled. And then you said to stall him.
Okay.
All I saw from
I stalled him as long as I could, and then I was like, we're here. We end up here. You end up here with him.
See, and from my point of view, up on cliffs, I saw the Woodlander with a pistol out and Alpha with his hands up. And then I was asking how many people there were because I didn't want to put Alpha's life in danger, right? Because if I took the shot on that guy, and for all we know there was someone else there.
Yeah. All right.
There was the Woodlander and him, and then there was that bike, but the bike wasn't involved.
Okay.
And the guy in the Woodlander, told me it was the guy here.
Okay.
You know.
So.
Your time to shine. What's your side of the story?
So, I was just driving around on the beach because I like my car, testing it out to get taxied faster. You feel, and He gets ran over by a citizen.
SWAT, you need
this-
to go, Joe.
The citizen then leaves, gets a siphon kit, siphons his fuel, leaves comes back whenever he's getting revived by ESU. That's whenever I drive over there because I see the other citizen circling him, which is the one that was in the red off-road Jeep or whatever, military off-road, whatever they're called.
Land Rover?
No, yeah, but it's not like the good ones. So I like walk over there. I have my pistol out, which I'm legally allowed to have on the beach because it's not in city limits, and I just kind of start circling him because like at this point he had his hands up, and I'm sitting there asking him like, "Hey, are you okay? Like I'm not trying to do anything." And then
No, I was
put
talking. I was stalling until the police got there.
I never robbed you though.
Comes back again, give him warning shots. He's not going to send you the code red zone yet, though.
I had my gun out, and I just kind of asked him like, what's going on? I kind of tried to initiate a conversation with him to make sure he was okay.
I did. I was talking with you. I was just.
Okay. Can I
So
don't say that.
Yeah.
Okay.
After 8 Mr. Ross.
Hey Raz, just move the car off the road.
So.
And obviously you said to stall him, so I
Okay.
did.
You stay here. Jake, come here.
Okay.
Real quick, I'd like to see video proof of me robbing.
Okay, I will gag you again if you start hollering. Okay, Jake.
Yeah.
Alpha's a fucking dumbass. The guy's circling him. Okay, so then he puts his hands on top of his head, then the guy gets out to ask what the fuck's wrong, and then.
It doesn't make sense. It's two conflicting stories without any evidence.
But the fact of Alpha just fucking admitted to putting his hands on top of his head when the guy is circling him inside of his vehicle. I asked Alpha, I said, well, did you put your hands up while the guy was circling you while he was inside of his car? He said, yeah.
User disconnected from your channel.
He's a fucking dumbass.
Yeah, that does not make sense at all.
Okay, I'm gonna let the guy go since he's, yeah. And Alpha, you're the one that's higher ranked than me, so if you wanna, you used to be. Yeah, well, you used to be. So if you want to talk with him about being a fucking dumbass, you can. Yeah, because I'll end up getting salty as fucking, calling him a fucking dumbass.
You have fun with that. I gotta go.
He's landing on top. Okay, we got possible jailbreak.
3910 is marksman.
Thank you. Yeah. Where's my gun at? Ah, it's over there.
Any warning shots? He leave.
Comes back again, should have tail rotor. This is a definite jailbreak. Just gonna keep on coming back and trying again.
Marksman's gonna set up on the northern hill of jail just in case.
7-4, please do. SWAT's already on the scene.
Which way does he approach from?
He keeps on approaching from any direction. Last blown location, he was heading northeast. It's the gas and pit.
And I don't see him at gas and pit, so.
It was I think a Gazo or whatever it is. I don't exactly know the model.
Buddy in your channel timed out.
Keep on having a bike that's circling jail. He's been doing this for the last couple of minutes now. Can somebody make contact with this dude?
Is he in the red zone?
Yes, he's been circling almost the damn near the gates the last 5 minutes. He's in front of the jail gates now.
Marksman set up to the northern hill.
He's saying he's given my location out. He's saying that there's an officer on the roof. I don't know if he's talking to the people in the helicopter.
Buddy joined your channel.
Somebody please make contact with this dude. Looks like he might be a scout. think he's right behind the courtyard walls. I'm not too sure. I lost eyes on him. Sounds like the helicopter's coming back. Helicopter's coming back. He's approaching from south. Shot firing.
Well, wait, have you lost eyes? Okay, one.
Oh, it's what's I'm saying?
Oh!
He crashed!
Oh my
god!
Rip. Officers of jail.
SWAT marksmen are gonna sit up on a hill.
Did you guys shoot before the warning?
We just have give him the warning, so I give him another time.
Did you guys lose eyes with multiple warnings before that one?
Watch out, there's a user incoming from south towards jail. Watch out, we have user landing on southeast of jail. C-130 coming in. I'll be right back, YGS. Yeah, I'm setting up real quick.
Radio check.
Attention.
User joined your channel.
Everyone's working on any actives.
A red Land Rover. There's a red Land Rover right by EMS, watch him.
What's going
User
on?
disconnected from your channel.
We have some
User left your
attempted
channel.
jailbreaks.
Have you used that gun? Also,
User disconnected from your channel.
C-130, I'm back.
what vehicle was up to jailbreak?
39, 10, I think back.
SWAT 219.
20 hours, 23rd. Be advised, I seen the guy land a helicopter up here on the hill. I'm gonna go and look at it.
Air 119.
I'm gonna get the registration off this helicopter. What is 1019 to back?
10-4.
Plus 123.
Air 1's coming 23.
PD, set up a perimeter, wait for SWAT.
Well, SWAT kind of stuck in jail. We don't have a car.
Then who just
SWAT marksman's on the way up.
SWAT is 1019. Just a SWAT marksman's 1019 or SWAT? SWAT is 1019. 10-4.
Whole SWAT, even the marksman.
Does anyone have eyes on any subjects inside bank? Negative, but I got a red off road coming into Banktown as well, or right now.
Close up Banktown. Close up Banktown. Just ram the PD vehicle. Somebody out.
SWAT is 23.
Buddy in your channel timed out.
Is that one of us outside Bang? Yeah, it is.
Anybody on scene yet? Tip 4.
39's gonna be sending out my vehicle for roadblock, and then I'm gonna go marksman.
Tip 4, SWAT marksman, getting ready to set up on Marksman Hill.
Stand for, I'll find the location.
Buddy joined your channel.
Be by SWAT, I'll be on standby.
Therefore, can you watch the vent? And I need someone to watch loading bay.
No one cooking up them. Them.
SWAT, y'all need an additional to move in with y'all or no?
Negative, just watch the back side, the loading side.
10-4, I think this deputy's got the back side, I got the loading bay.
Did we close Banktown? Did we close Banktown?
10-4, Banktown's been closed.
Alright, so there's a red Land Rover coming, just came in from the Banktown from Street on 7. I'm gonna be leaving Banktown now.
User joined your channel.
We have an executive bell landed up on the
User joined your channel.
North Hill.
Here is Yank 13, there's a Hercules landed on the back of jail. I got eyes. Back gate is open.
You have eyes on someone?
Check vent.
Or no?
Negative, I got eyes on the bell, I don't see nobody in the area. Give me a sec, I'm doing this sleep.
Close left clear.
Burnout is clear.
User left your channel. User joined
Be
your
careful,
channel.
there's definitely a sniper here somewhere.
Yeah, advise, bank is clear, the suspect evaded.
Watch out, there's a,
Can we get the registration on the bell from the PD when you work there?
I got a Gov limo coming in the Banktown, he's on, he's on
Marksman Hill,
39's on 10.
you're good, Tittle? Let's get some music.
There's a guy in the supermarket. There's a guy in the supermarket. Supermarket. Yeah, he's unarmed. He's definitely unarmed right now. Unarmed. Grab him. Grab him. I got eyes on him. Officers coming in. Watch out. He's armed.
We heard you.
Tito, is that
Don't
you?
push in. Scorpio, you coming?
SWAT is coming to supermarket, don't move in. Is he inside? Where is he?
10-4, I got one down. I got one down behind the building. Unknown if there's more.
Gov limo is going towards the rock.
Watch the Gov limo.
A plane? C-130? My god.
Yeah, guys, with them silent shots, marksman.
You're good. That was us shooting. We were giving him shots. He moved. He's right there. Okay, good job. He had a weapon.
Supermarket's clear.
Yeah, he pulled a weapon on us. It ran like a retard. Watch out, Gov Mansion. The Gov limo was last seen heading towards the Blue Bell. That Blue Bell in the hills where the Gov limo was last seen heading towards.
Roger.
Wait, I thought the Gov was our rocks.
QV's Unit 13, there's a guy on J, needs a supervisor.
Someone called that there was a bell or there was a limo at rocks.
No, we just seen him go friggin' to the Blue Bell, me no ITS.
There's no vehicles up here at the bell.
SWAT is gonna go RTB, get upgrades for the vehicle.
Air 1, can you circle around the forest and see, you know, if there's anybody running?
User left your
Hold
channel.
on.
Can you circle around the forest and see if there's anybody in the forest?
Before what's gonna be kinda hard looking for an old spec, you know?
2-4.
There's a Blue Bell heading towards bank, I believe, from, yeah, southwest area.
I can't get the reg on this bell.
I got eyes on him.
You wanna open bank, huh? Yeah, let's open it.
Is that guy out getting in front of you? He's on the market.
I can't get the name on this bell.
If that guy flies that low again over break time, delete him. So watch out, guys.
Down the wave off.
I told him to wave off, and he's just metagame. Yeah.
Is Banktown open?
Blue bell going over with Banktown. More definitely, maybe. No.
So Deputy 40, would any supervisor that's not on the bank call be able to come to jail with a supervisor call?
It's 9439292.
Thank you.
Be advised 291010.
User left your channel.
Banktown code 4.
Swatch tonight. Swatch 19. Wait, we got Sibs to our left.
10-9. 10-9.
User joined your channel.
220.
What situation?
What's the freaking... What's the situation?
Disregards. Frickin' AI, dude. Control shots.
You're on the fucking shot control shots, isn't it? Everyone's back tonight.
Radio check.
Thank you.
Turn 4. Unit 16 is now tonight. Are they on actives?
3923 of jail.
Swamp marks on RTV.
Yeah, jailbreak is 60 minutes. For the time for demo place on.
Brent.
If you want it, okay. It's over here. There you go. Who wants the supervisor?
Come on, Ricardo.
Oh. No, it's over here.
Who requested the supervisor?
Yo.
This guy.
This guy is saying I tried to jailbreak even though all I did was fly over the jail and get shot down.
At a very low altitude?
So what? That doesn't mean I'm trying to
Approaching
jailbreak,
jail?
dude. I didn't land in the walls at all.
It looked like you were going to, so it's a temp.
It looked just because it looked like it doesn't mean I was.
Saying that you have gang affiliation.
You didn't even warn me. You guys just shot me down. You shot me down before you warned me.
Warning? Did you guys give a warning?
Yeah, we gave.
We got multiple.
They shot me out before they warned me.
They.
Look at the chat. Look at the chat.
I gave him, but
it's gonna be
I
gone
don't
by
know
now.
who fires first.
Yeah,
I fired only after.
And either way, the chat wouldn't prove anything if they shot first.
They did though.
Okay, do you have evidence they did?
They fucking killed me.
My recording.
They didn't even shoot down my chopper. They killed me out of it, and my chopper crashed.
There's a helicopter over here. Let me check.
Here, 1 second.
They literally shot me out of a vehicle.
I think SWAT. I'm not too sure. I think it was Zoe that shot him.
Yeah, 1 second. I'm gonna check my recording. Oh, is this the Gazelle? The Gazelle?
Yes.
This was the Gazelle situation.
Okay, yeah, you guys shot first.
User left your channel.
I was set up on the eastern hill, and all I heard was a few shots and then a warning go out.
Those shots hit me.
Yeah, there was the SWAT, the top of the roof. I gave the warning and